This is my solar furnace here in Bay City, Michigan. The unit faces approximately due south. And this is about a peak operation time right now in November. It's not a very complicated unit once you get down to it. It is made out of aluminum cans on the inside, of which the ends were finned out to create a spiral effect as the air comes through the bottom header into the top. And you will notice this is an automated solar furnace, so it's not something we have to turn on and off. It is automated by adjustable thermostat, which is located in the header, and when the temperature in the header reaches 110 degrees, the fan, which is in the house, also the cold air intake, turns on and pushes the air through the unit and back into the house. I turned it on today in the morning, right around 9 o'clock, and it kicked itself on with the thermostat switch in the header, and it's operating right now above 110 degrees. Hot air is coming into my apartment, and the furnace has not gone on in a while today because of this supplemental heating device.